Does water make a difference in your canning? Rebel Canners, teaching all the old methods of food preservation. Little outdoor time this week. Welcome back, Rebel Canners, to another episode. Today we're going to talk about water in our Canning 101 episode. This is, store-bought water I'm drinking here. Trying to get hydrated in this 90-degree lovely heat we're having here in Michigan right now for like the 6th week in a row. So much for my garden. But as we think about water and how important it is to our plants and to us, it's also important in our can. And the reason is that the minerals in our water and the chemicals, if you're using a city treated water, affect the taste. Also, and I talked about this in the salt episode, some mineral salts will cause black spots to appear on the lid. That freaks people out. I don't know how many times a day I get asked, is this black spot on my lid the dreaded B word that's going to kill me? No, you can't see botulism, you can't smell botulism, you can't taste botulism. That little black spot is a mineral that reacted with the metal of your lid. So it got touched there and it left there. It didn't fall down in a little droplet of steam, stayed there, and it's calcified in the oxygen in the canning jar, that little headspace, and it is making that little black calcification spot. And so don't worry, don't panic. You will not die from that mineral. You wouldn't have died from that mineral in your water when you drank it. But if you don't want those in there, a lot of people really don't like those spots on their pickles. You can use distilled water, purified water that has taken the minerals out, or you could just be very careful where you get your minerals from. Also, the salt in your water, if you have a water softener, can affect the taste and the sogginess of your pickles. So, you really want to watch what kind of water you're using, especially if you're doing things like pickles. But yes, it affects your taste. I had the pleasure this week of going back to a place near where I grew up, and there's a flowing well. That water is the best tasting water on this planet, and I really enjoyed going there. And so actually I filled up all my bottles I had in the car and a 5-gallon water bottle I have, and I'm still enjoying that water. But it was like a taste of home, going back and tasting the water from my childhood. There's a flowing well not very far from here. They charge 25 cents a gallon, and whenever we go past there, we stop and we fill up all our jugs, all our bottles, water bottles, and containers in the car, so that we can have that water. It's so cold. It comes out so cold. That's the beauty of a flowing well. It just comes out so cold and beautiful. I know a lot of you live down where there's springs and stuff, and I just loved when I was hiking and drinking the spring water and stuff too. But water makes a difference. What it's filtered through, where it comes from, makes a difference. So there's your answer. Have a great day. Stick around. The best is yet to be. Rebel Canner's Cookbook is available on Amazon, barnesandnoble.com, and Walmart online. Don't forget to like us and subscribe. Thumbs up. Thank you.